Hey there, it's Vince, man with a fork. You know what? I have a confession to make. I really, really, really love potatoes. And you know who else loves potatoes? Everybody. You know what we don't like about potatoes? All that peeling. Well, guess what? Today we're going to make a dish that requires no potato peeling, and it's going to have all that potato goodness. Right now on Man with a Fork. You know, when it comes to potatoes, there's really so few things that you could do wrong, right? I mean, you can boil them, you can mash them, you can fry them, you can turn them into little chips. There's really so many things that you could do with a potato. Now, in order to pull off this peel-free recipe, we're gonna have to bring in some heavier artillery. For us, that would be the hammer. Or the mallet. I'm using a meat mallet. Yeah. So for your typical 9-inch skillet, I would say we get, I don't know, about 9, 10. We'll get about 10 Yukon Gold potatoes. About yay big, size of an egg. We will bring them over to our board and we will cross-hatch them. Cut the top. Rotate it. Flip it over, slice, rotate it, slice again. Keep doing it for the next one. Bring your potato over, run across, flip it over, slice, slice. We'll take a potato, okay. Bring over some plastic wrap, like that. Give it a quick wrap, and we smash it. Give it a nice little whack right in the middle. Yeah, nice controlled split there. You want to have potato pieces that are nice and flat because we want really good contact when it hits the pan. We want a nice little crunchy surface to form as we're giving it a little bit of a fry. Next potato. Ooh, we got a runner. All right, now that we've shown those potatoes who's boss, we're bringing them to the stove. And a little bit of oil. Be a little liberal here. Raise the temperature a little bit. Don't be afraid to add more oil. Add some salt. Add some black pepper. Scraping the bottom here, getting all those crispy bits. Be a good time to hit it up with some paprika. There you go. Take that, we set it aside. Let's spoon in some mayonnaise right into our pan right there. We'll add some mustard, some maple syrup, a hit of sriracha, salt, and pepper. Low heat, we'll give it a whisk. We're going to bring this to a boil. It's going to change color. It's going to thicken up. When it comes to a boil, that's just about ready. And yes, it is better with bacon. Let's crisp up some bacon. You want crispy. Just let it finish up.
A few minutes later.
Before I forget, we have a little detail with this onion. Let's get this ready. Tops off. That's about what we need. Now let's put this all together. We'll take our potatoes, fluff them up a little bit, put in our dressing. Give that a bit of a toss. Get our bacon, crispy, crunchy, tasty bits of bacon, and finally, our red onions. Golden pieces of potato, crispy edges, soft centers. You have big chunks of crispy, unctuous bacon. Got that dressing that just covers everything, and the red onions. Let's give it a bite. There's that sweetness from the maple syrup. The yellow mustard cuts through the fattiness of the bacon. Paprika just gives your tongue a little tickle. You got the acidity, you got the saltiness, you got the creamy potatoes. You know, the best thing about this is that all your ingredients, you know, obviously everybody loves bacon. You got, you know, your red onions, you know, the dressing. They're all important. Everything adds to the dish. But most importantly, it brings out all of that beautiful potato flavor. There's not one part that takes over. You know the best thing about this dish? It's just as fun to eat as it is to make. Or is that the other way around? I'm not really sure, and it doesn't really matter. It's just really good stuff. Now, I would like to know what other good stuff you'd like to see me make on this channel. Put some comments down below. I'd like to hear from you. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this. You know, don't forget to click like and subscribe. This is Vince, Man with a Fork. I'll see you next time.
I brought even heavier artillery. Stoves. And then you hold it in the stove for like 10 seconds.